Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was recently arrested in drugs case. In this video, we will analyze birth horoscope of Aryan Khan and also predict his future. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. Aryan Khan was born on 13th November 1997 at 2 pm in Delhi. This is birth horoscope of Aryan Khan. This is Rasi chart, that is D1 chart, and Navamsha chart, that is D9 chart. He is Aquarius ascendant with moon in Aries sign. These are the planetary positions at his time of birth. He is Aquarius ascendant born in Shatabisha Nakshatra, a Rahu Nakshatra, and his moon is in Aries sign in Ashwini Nakshatra, Pada number 4. He was born in Ketu Mahadasha. Venus Mahadasha is completed and presently he is running Sun Mahadasha. For Aquarius ascendant, benefic planets are Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Rahu, whereas malefic planets are Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Moon and Ketu. He was arrested in drugs case in Sun Mahadasha and Jupiter Antardasha. Both Sun and Jupiter are malefic planets. So, in malefic planets Mahadasha and in another malefic planets Antardasha, he was arrested in drugs case. Let us first see the positive aspects of his birth horoscope. His ascendant lord Saturn is in second house, aspecting 4th house, 8th house and 11th houses. So, there will be no dearth of money for him, and he will have home comforts and he will get ancestral properties, and also he will have gains in his life. Another benefic planet Mercury is in 10th house, aspecting 4th house. So, he will have good career and also he will have home comforts. Venus is Yogakaraka planet for Aquarius ascendants. Venus is 4th and 9th lord. Venus is placed in 11th house, aspecting 5th house. This indicates that he will have huge gains, and also this position is favorable for acting profession. If he chooses acting as his profession, definitely he will be a very good actor. Another benefic planet Rahu is in Leo sign. Rahu in Leo sign indicates that he will rule the masses and he will have large popularity if he chooses acting as his profession. Being benefic planet, Rahu in Leo sign indicates that it is Raja Yoga, which gives immense popularity, authority and power. Ascendant lord of D9, Jupiter is in 5th house in conjunction with moon, forming Gajakesari Yoga in Navamsha chart, that is D9 chart. This also indicates that high success in professions like acting. In D9 Navamsha chart, 10th lord Jupiter is in 5th house. This also indicates high success in creative fields like acting. In D9, that is Navamsha chart, 9th lord Mars is in 4th house, aspecting 10th house. This promises very good career life. Let us see the negative aspects in his birth horoscope. The malefic planet Ketu is in 1st house. It indicates bad health, and also it indicates that he takes wrong decisions in his life, and it also indicates that his married life will not be good. Another malefic planet Moon is in 3rd house, aspected by another malefic planet Sun. This indicates bad habits. He will be addicted to bad habits and it will be difficult for him to overcome them. Malefic planet Sun is in 9th house and aspected by malefic moon. This indicates that luck will not favor him. He will not follow dharma in his life, and it also brings bad name to his father. Yogakaraka planet Venus is in conjunction with malefic planet Mars. Venus becomes very weak due to this conjunction. Malefic planet Mars is aspecting 2nd house, 5th house and 6th house. This shows that bad relationships with family members, and it is also bad for creative fields like acting, and he may also suffer by diseases and also by debts. Malefic planet Jupiter is placed in 12th house. This indicates he will have bad sleep, and the investments made by him are not going to give any returns to him. And this malefic Jupiter is aspecting 4th house, 6th house and 8th house. All these houses matters are going to suffer due to this aspect of malefic Jupiter. Venus is important planet for professions like acting. Venus is placed in 6th house in his Navamsha chart, that is D9 chart. This is a negative aspect for his acting life. In Navamsha chart, that is in D9 chart, Rahu Ketu are in 2-8 axis, that is Ketu is placed in 2nd house and Rahu is placed in 8th house. This is negative aspect of his horoscope. He will have very bad married life and he has disputes with his family members. Let us analyze future of Aryan Khan. This is Vimshottari Mahadasha of Aryan Khan's horoscope. For acting profession, Venus is very important planet, but Venus Mahadasha is already over. So, this is very difficult for him to get and settle in acting field. Presently he is running Sun Mahadasha. This is also not favorable dasha, but from 20th April 2022 to 8th February 2024 is favorable period to start his career in film industry. The next Mahadasha is Moon Mahadasha. This is also not so favorable, but he will get mixed results in this Mahadasha. The favorable period in this Mahadasha is from 1409-2029 to 1409-2032. Next Mahadasha is Mars Mahadasha. This is also unfavorable dasha, but after 11-11-2035, when Mars Mahadasha, Mars Antardasha is complete, then his good period starts, his golden period starts. In next Mahadasha, that is Rahu Mahadasha, he will rule the masses. He will become superstar of India. That's all about future of Aryan Khan. His best part of life start in his 40s, and after then he never looks back. For complete horoscope reading, you can contact me. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive latest updates.